you're insecure.
Hola.
Hola,
Me llamo Lindsay.
me llamo Catherine, and welcome to
Flavor Fiesta! Anyways, today we're going to be showing you how to make quesadillas.
and lemonada.
Alrighty then, so what you're going to need is
You're going to need Sprite oil, skillet, stove, Mexican mixed cheese, tortillas, queso, bell peppers, corn chips, salsa, and sour cream. Napkins, bowls, cups, lime juice or limes, sparkling water, spatula, optional is aprons, and you will also need...
No! I'm going to do it from here. Oh, sorry, gotta go. Okay, first what you're going to do is turn on your stove and place the skillet on it, which I've already done. Make sure you have greased the pan.
Now you're going to place the tortilla on the skillet and warm it up.
Now that your tortilla is warm, you're going to take a generous amount of cheese, and you may also use your pepper, and place it on the side of your tortilla. So I'm going to take my cheese and place it on the side. Make sure you have a generous amount, which will make it a lot more tasty.
Now add the bell peppers evenly.
If a few fall out, just pick them up carefully and place them on. Take the tortilla and flip it over and press it on, which will help. You may grab the handle, and it'll help to make sure that it's good. Turn it down to low to keep the tortilla, the cheese, melting at a nice pace, and flip it. If you flip it and it's not ready, lots of things are going to fall out, but that's okay.
Let it sit for 45 seconds to a minute, then flip it.
Wow, doesn't this just look scrumptious? Let's move it to our plate because it's ready. Now we're going to juice some limes.
Oh my gosh, that was
Oh
a
my
ton
gosh,
of squeezing.
that was a ton of squeezing. Ow, my hands hurt.
I know, right?
Okay, so here we have 1.5 cups of lime juice. So what we're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your cups. This is the 1 cup, and we're going to want to pour it all in. 1 cup. There's our 1/2 cup. Perfect. So what we've done is we've poured our 1 cup and our 1/2 cup into a jar.
And now we're going to add the sugar.
So now that we've stirred this,
Until the sugar is dissolved.
we can set this to the side. Now we're going to bring out our pitcher, and our salsa water, and our 1 cup. So this is a 2.75 quart pitcher, and we're going to be using that for our salsa water. This is what your Mexican meal is going to look like. So, you're going to have your quesadillas of red bell pepper and cheese. And down in the middle of the bowl, you're going to have some queso. And also you're going to have your drink.
This is some corn tortilla chips with a side of salsa and sour cream for your easy dipping.
You'll have 1 per table. So
So-
now we can enjoy. Lindsay.
And I'm Catherine.
And this has been an episode of Flavor Fiesta.
It doesn't matter if you love him